All right.
Hi, I'm Linda.
And I'm Cole, and we're going to talk about dishwashing pods. So first, a little secret from Linda. You want to run the
Garbage
disposal first. So you want to go ahead and run that really quick? Okay, make sure that's clear and go ahead and finish. Okay, that's good. Now where the pod, Linda put it here. Now here's the thing about the pod, okay? What this states here is use open cup for pot cleaning and normal wash cycles only. So that's what that's for pot cleaning and normal cycles. You can put it in here as well. You see how this opens? It gives it plenty of room, and this is for all cycles is what that's for. So you can do either or. If you're using just for pot cleaning and specifics, you can do that, or you can use this as well.
There's 3 different holes, dear. That goes to that.
No, because look at the arrow.
Okay, so that says
Look
twist.
at the arrow right here. The arrow
See, that arrow goes to there. Use main detergent cup for all wash cycles. Fill for hard water. Use less for soft water. Main cup.
That's the main cup. So you can actually put this, you can put that
Correct.
in here.
Correct. That one's pointing to, I don't know, look at the arrow. It's not pointing up, it's pointing right. Twist handle to close and lock cover.
You can do what you're doing.
So that's that.
Right.
There's the arrow to that. That goes there. Use open cup for pot cleaning and normal wash cycles only.
Right.
That's what we're doing.
Right.
Pots and normal cycles.
You would be able to do that. That's correct.
Alright, so what goes over here?
It says it on the top right here.
Very nice. Oh, maybe that's that rinsing stuff you
Cascade,
get to make your dishes
crystal
extra
clear,
clean.
Right. Rinse. It's for rinse. It's a rinse detergent. Okay. This is the one that we're choosing right now for just specific stuff. You can also put this in here because this will fully open and come out there. So they're both good for both places. So you can actually put this in here as well because it'll open and it'll be for general.
No, it says automatic dishwasher detergent only. Maybe it means like don't use sink stuff, so you don't get bubbles.
So this is a detergent that will open during the process of it. You can also put it here too, which is good for the stuff for pot cleaning and for normal cycles only. Okay, so we're going to close it, and we're going to do a heavy wash on this one. Hi, kitty.
No, it says normal wash only in that cup.
Right.
So normal wash and
normal
pot
wash
only.
only for right here.
So right here. Remember you moved that over there. See, look. Normal wash and pots.
Does it say normal wash over here?
Yes, right here. No, right here. Right here. I just saw it.
Normal wash is over this way. Use for...
Which is over there, gotcha. Well, we moved that from there to
use
there.
open cup for pot cleaning. If you have like a lot of pots in there. Or normal wash. So you can do either or.
Okay.
This one is for all cycles.
Okay, cool. Alright, let's chop. Alright, sounds good.
Main detergent.
Dishes are bad. They need to be washed.
For all wash cycles.
Okay, sounds good.
Alright?
Alright.
Okay. So we're going to do what? Heavy or just normal?
No, we'll just do normal.
Alright, we'll do normal.
Water.
Okay.